Civil Engineering, Conventional and Objective Type. Authors RS Khurmi and JK Gupta. For more than 30 years, Civil Engineering, Conventional and Objective Type continues to be a comprehensive text aided by a collection of multiple choice questions specifically for aspirants of various competitive examinations. Key features: contains more than 5,000 plus questions with hints provide rich practice. Over 1,000 graphs and figures providing ample support to the theory explained. The book contains 17 chapters where every important concept of civil engineering is fairly treated. The questions provided in this book have been selected from various potent resources to provide the students with an idea of how the questions are set and what type of questions to expect on the final day. This book will be useful for B.Tech, B.E, B.Sc, Diploma in Engineering, engineering examinations such as Engineering Civil Services, ESE and SSC-JE, GATE, UPSC, IAS and SSC-JE, as well as students who are preparing for university examination.